In this example, we're going to be interpreting intervals. So we're going to give a verbal description of each of the following intervals. So if we look at interval A, we see that it is an open interval, and we know it's an open interval because both the left and the right ends are parentheses. So here we have an open interval. So this interval is going to consist of all real numbers that are greater than -1 but less than 0. If we look at example B, we can't say if it's open or closed because the left side has a bracket and the right side of our interval has a parentheses. So what do you think that this would be? Go ahead and push pause and write down your answer, and then push play when you're ready to check it. So I have that all real numbers that are greater than or equal to 2. And if you're wondering, well, wait a minute, how come there isn't an and statement like letter A had? And the reason that we don't have an and statement is because here we have a positive infinity, which means that if we were to graph this on a number line, that we would have a bracket at 2, and then our line would just go into infinity. It would just keep going and going. Let's take a look at letter C. Here in letter C, we have another open interval. Go ahead and give it a try. Push pause, and when you're ready to check your answer, push play. So for this one, I got that all real numbers are less than 0. Now another way you could say that, I've written it in orange, is that all negative real numbers. That's what that means. So it kind of is your preference what you would rather say there. But so that's how to give a verbal description of each of the intervals.